video, I wanted to share with you what I got on my April Boxycharm box. So we're in quarantine, there's not much to do, so I'm gonna share with you what I got, and then I'm going to do my makeup with all the products. So let's get to it. The first thing that I got was the Benefits the Professional face primer. The second thing I got is the Elemis Superfood Psycha Calm Hydration Juice. Next thing that I got is the Hank and Harry Beauty Sponge Bundle. It's like those neon greens. There's a big one and a small one. It's super soft. So the next thing that I got is the Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush set. And it's literally what it says. It's a 5-piece brush set, neon colored. That's that. And the last thing they sent me is the original makeup eraser from the brand Sunset. Now, the only thing I'm not gonna be trying from this box is this. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase helped eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. So this has some directions on how to use it. And yeah. Ooh. So I guess you wet it and then, oh yeah, you have to wash it. Wash and wash before you use it. Oh yeah, we're definitely not using this on this video. You have to wash it and wet it and then you use it. Okay, that's cool. We'll try that another time. This one was mostly beauty products, which I'm not mad at because they always send like a lot of palettes I don't get to use because it's just one after the other one, and like there's so much you can do. Like there's not so much you can do, or at least, you know, I'm not a professional makeup artist, and you know, I'm just a regular person using their makeup. So I'm rambling. Let's do our makeup and let's see how the things perform. And this is the makeup look that I was able to come out with. It's like an everyday makeup. It's just a liner with, you know, the most important thing is the skin. It's my everyday makeup. As always, I do recommend to get the Boxycharm because you get a lot of things for just $25, and it's like a little fun treat every month that you get from you to you. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to their boxes. I'm gonna leave the links down below if you haven't already, and make sure to follow me on this channel. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you can be notified when every time I'm posting a video. I'm trying to get more content out there since it's quarantine. We're all stuck home and, you know, there's not much to do. And make sure to follow me on my social media. I'm gonna link all the links down below. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.